Hello, I'm Shirley Meerson, holistic health specialist and creator of Ageless Wellness Lifestyle. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome, and I'm so glad that you're back. Thank you. This channel is where we explore holistic stress relief, energy balance, and lifestyle habits that help you glow from the inside out. And today we're talking about something that's been around for centuries but feels more relevant than ever, which is adaptogens. So what are they really? Well, adaptogens are a special class of herbs and plants that help your body adapt to stress, whether that stress is physical, emotional, or environmental. And unlike caffeine or quick fixes that push your body harder, adaptogens work like a tuning fork, helping your system find balance again. They don't numb you, they restore equilibrium. So think of adaptogens as intelligent allies. Like when you're wired and anxious, they can help calm your nervous system. When you're tired and foggy, they can gently lift your energy without this overstimulation or the crash. That's why I call them calm without sedation. They support your resilience and help you respond instead of react to all of life's stressors. Adaptogens don't change what's happening around you. They help change how your body handles it. Isn't that useful? My goodness. So you might already know a few by name. There's ashwagandha for grounding and for better sleep, rhodiola for stamina and focus, holy basil called tulsi for emotional calm, and reishi mushroom for deep rest and immune balance. Each adaptogen has its own personality, but all of them share one mission, which is to bring your body back to balance. Here's something I always emphasize, that adaptogens aren't magic overnight fixes. They build their effects slowly and steadily. Think of them as daily companions that work quietly in the background to help you restore energy, clarity, and calm. So, my lovely friends who are here today, this is the first video in my new adaptogen series, so stay tuned for more. I'll be sharing how to choose and use adaptogens safely and effectively in your everyday life. If this topic resonates with you, please subscribe, like, comment, click, and share this with somebody who could use a little more natural calm today. And if you'd like personalized coaching or mentoring, you can always schedule a session with me. You'll find the link in the description below. Thank you for watching here today, and I'm sending you my wellness wishes always. Remember, your body already knows how to heal. You just have to give it the right support.